All right, Greg. I'm going to break this thing down real quick, okay? Kind of show you what you want to do when you want to transport it. Let's grab some space here. Okay. First off, the gimbal. Still about 2 nylon nuts here, and it can be unscrewed from here, and all the blue aluminum parts come out, and it'll be just one piece. You can do that. What I'm also going to do here, though, is unscrew these clamps. More. And we can slide this right off. It's a bit tricky, but it'll come off. It's the gimbal. Now we're using I think they are I'll get back with you on the size of these screws here. Okay. I think those are 8 32nd screws. But the landing gear kind of slide back and forth, so you can adjust those a little bit as well. If you want, you can just totally disassemble and remove the railing system here. This is what I'm going to do before I ship it to you. This all pulls out nice and clean. If you want to further break down the landing gear, remove these outer screws here. You see they've actually been reamed out a little bit better than this, so they'd come out a little bit easier. But if you need to replace these nylon nuts, you can bore this out a little bit more and put some bigger ones if you want, or use metal. We have the equivalent, it's like a M5, I think. This one kind of pops out pretty easy. Probably better to fold these down. we folded these down when we first made them. We realized it actually folded up pretty easy. There we go. That's it. Of course, these screws right here are way too long. I'm gonna swap these out for smaller ones, but once I do that, they'll fold up a lot nicer. There we go. Your landing gear should fold up like this. But again, I'll replace these with some shorter ones here in just a minute. And that way they'll fold down a bit better than this. It's landing gear. This is going to stay on here. And now to fold the copter up. Just be careful not to lose your washers and stuff. But if you do, it's no biggie because these things are pretty cheap to replace. Kind of tight. Folding it back there. You may want to also see if you can source some of these screws that have the thumb grips on them. Something kind of like one of these, but I don't have any this size. Let's put these wires to this. That's it. That's how it'll fold up. Right. That's all there is to it. So if you have any questions or anything, just call me when you get it.